How to find Facebook stream key. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll let you guys know the ways to find Facebook stream key. To find Facebook stream key, first of all, open up a browser and go to facebook.com/live/create. Make sure that you're logged into your account and you'll be taken to this page where you want to go ahead and click on the button that says create live stream. After that, you'll be taken to this field where you need to go ahead and click on post on timeline. Underneath, you could find this sort of interface, so click on post to page you manage. Next, you want to go ahead and select whether you want to go live or create live video event. So go live and underneath click on create new. As you've done it so, you'll be taken to the page where you could actually find the streaming software. So here you want to click on the options and then you want to go ahead and copy the streaming key by tapping on the copy button, and you could also copy the server URL. Click on copy and this way you'll be able to do it. So that's how you could find Facebook stream key. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.